Arizona's lighting expert.
Put my do-rag on.
Put the do-rag on. Hell yeah. Welcome back, guys. SRT Dad. So I got a couple messages yesterday from Omar saying that my lights were ready. So I'm on my way over there right now, guys. I'm really excited. Hopefully, the halos look great once installed. We're gonna go ahead and take care of that now, guys. I'm on my way over there. So I'll see you guys when I get there. Alright guys, I got Omar right here working on the headlights. Checking if he's got a pair of some HIDs. I guess these are going bad. There's a will, there's a way, man. Yeah, yeah. way better in person, by the way. Oh, you go by sections too?
Yeah, it's cool too. Is that doing it by section?
Yeah.
That second section, I can actually reverse the way that it goes. So I have to reprogram it so that it looks correct, obviously. But yeah, I can do that. I can make the signal leave from the center.
All right, guys, we're all done. Just want to thank my guy Omar right here. He did a great job. I recommend him. Best in AZ, guys.
I try.
All right, guys, I'm out. All right, guys, so back home now. You can see the new fog lights and headlights along with the LED strips inside. Came out really good, guys. Now let me go ahead and show you how they look with the halos on again. There it is. So it looks kind of pinkish on here, but it's actually white. For some reason it's coming out the color on the camera. Go ahead and change it. Well, guys, if you liked the video, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, guys. Hope you guys have a Merry Christmas. I got our early Christmas gifts, as you can see. I'll see you guys on the next one. I'm out.